Hey y'all, welcome back to Very Good Light's channel. I am David Yee, the founder and editor of Very Good Light, and today we're going to talk about my favorite ingredient in skincare right now, oat milk. We're talking about Oatly, we're talking about Chobani oat. These are the two best oat milks to drink. I test every kind of milk alternative. I am drinking coffee all the time, but oat milk is still the business. I love Oatly. It just mixes up so well with my delicious espressos. Chobani oat is really good too. I love Chobani's ethos as well. They're all about pro-immigrants, providing jobs to immigrants as well. To that, I'm gonna pour one for Chobani. I'm gonna have a sip of my iced latte. Shall we get started? Oat milk is the latest, greatest trend, not only in cafes across Brooklyn or across the country now, but oat milk is now the most sought after ingredient for skincare. And it's nothing new. Oat milk has been used for itchy, dry skin. Think chicken pox. Think those who have gone out in the wilderness and, have hiked and found poison ivy on their skin. Think about people who have eczema. They have been using oatmeal and oat for centuries. It's great for sensitive skin too, and not only does it give you that nice nourishment and that amazing kind of hydration, but it actually does something scientific with your body too, and I'm going to talk about that. First of all, it's soothing and it's nourishing. Oatmeal and oat, it's just something that is seen in serums, creams, and also toners these days. I'm talking about Pixi toners. I'm talking about many different brands within Target. I'm talking about new brands like Cocoa Kind that have oat as its main ingredient as well. Oat milk is on the rise. This is because not only is it sustainable, oats can be produced in any environment and across the country and world. So let's talk about colloidal oatmeal. It's already well known as a great ingredient for eczema. I experience eczema on my skin these days, especially because it's cold. And a lot of dermatologists say that oatmeal baths or oat baths are just really nourishing for soothing that angry skin. But also, oat milk as of late has been a great alternative for dairy milk because we all know that the poor cows being milked all day long, not only is it good for them, but it's really bad for the environment. Oatmeal and oat is highly sustainable, and most people practice sustainable growth when it comes to oat. We've already talked about why oat has been used in skincare, but we did an article at Very Good Light and we talked to a dermatologist named Dr. Campbell who told us that patients with eczema have an impaired skin barrier and ingredients like oatmeal help rebalance our skin's pH, cleanse without drying, and restore lost moisture. As we know, the skin barrier is the entire kind of point of skincare. If you have a compromised skin barrier, that means you can get, acne, cystic acne, eczema, rosacea. A lot of problems start and end with the skin barrier. So think of your skin barrier as the top layer, as the function of bringing in moisture and keeping out a lot of bad things like bacteria or virus. There's multiple different reasons why your skin barrier can be compromised. That's when you get itchy skin, dry skin, and all of those ailments when it comes to skincare occur. So not only is oatmeal very gentle, it is hydrating, it is nourishing, it is the wonder product, and that's why we love it so much at Very Good Light. I'm going to test some products right now that we love. First from Tatcha, the Indigo cream, and this one is calming. It has an indigo extract. It also has beautiful oat. There's not really a fragrance to this either, which we love. It is a heavier cream and great for winter, but I love this so much because I've even felt when it comes to my eczema on my face or my hands, this has been super ultra soothing, and it's also been very hydrating. And after a week or two, I've seen that my eczema has really subsided a lot. I would highly recommend that you use the spatula that it comes with, which is super cute. So you scoop this and then you put it onto your hand. You don't take your fingers and put it into the jar like I just did. So next, Another product that you can find oat milk or oatmeal are, body products from the likes of Aveeno. You can go to Target or your local CVS. People have been raving about Aveeno for years because it really does work and it's super, super affordable. You can also find Pixi Milky Tonic Toner, and it comes in a mist, comes in a bottle. When my skin was red or angry, especially after using acids that maybe I shouldn't have, using this Pixi Tonic and the oat ingredient really did soothe it immediately. Cocokind is a new brand that we've come across at Very Good Light, and this one is an oil to milk cleanser, which is really interesting. It's also prebiotic. Prebiotics feed the probiotics that are on your body or in your gut. And this is great for balancing out your microbiome and strengthening the microbiome, and also strengthening and enhancing the skin barrier. First, it's a balm, and then it turns into an oil, which is supposed to then wipe away all your makeup. So this one from Cocokind is something that our editors and I am liking as well. If that wasn't enough, you could also go to your local Sephora store and find oat milk products in the likes moisturizers from Milk Makeup, their vegan milk product, which is super good. Tell me in the comments below what kind of oat milk you like to drink and what kind of oat milk your pores like to slurp and drink as well. Or maybe it's both. Maybe you put oat milk like Oatly on your face. I want to know that too. Thanks for watching, and also comment below. Let's have this dialogue and see if oat milk is here to stay.